So first job of the day, we've got a window that's just not opening. There we go, so the window's open. So what's happened is the button at the back wasn't retracting, so it was getting caught on here. So I've bypassed it to open it, and then what I'm going to do is replace the lock. So that handle's all replaced now. Window's working as it should. It's not an exact copy, but it's close enough. Alright, so second job of the day. We've got a white panel going in here for a cat flap. We're replacing the mechanism because whoever's done it before had glued in the barrel and completely gunked up all inside. And we've got a cat flap going in there as well, just so then the cat can go in and out. So I've removed the old glass, used the old glass as a template so I get the exact size, and then cut the new panel. Then we do a quick test fit just to make sure everything fits. There we go, so that's one cat flap installed into the panel. So this is the second cat flap going into the internal porch door. Marked everything out, just time to cut it. So now we've got the handle, the bolt's been removed, the lock had some cork or silicone just shoved in the hole, and then each side of the lock just gunked up. And there we go, this job's all completed. So we've got a new barrel, a new gearbox, all repaired, locking, a new panel with a new cat flap installed, and then we've got the new cat flap installed on the internal door as well. The door has been all adjusted to make sure it's locking, because apparently it hasn't been locked for 3 or 4 years now. Okay, so the next job, we've got a bifold door that won't unlock, it's seized open. So we've got the old mechanism out, just waiting to put the new one in. There we go, so that one's all replaced. So the next job is for a care home. We've got a window that they've lost all keys for. I want to make sure that this window stays locked. So it's just a case of replacing the handle with a new handle to be locked. There we go, so this is all replaced now. So now they can keep it locked.